In smart manufacturing, the network is far more than infrastructure. It's the lifeline of the operation.
A properly designed and professionally installed industrial Ethernet network unlocks powerful capabilities like predictive maintenance, seamless data flow, and real-time monitoring.
Poor design, however, leads to downtime, productivity loss, and even safety hazards.
Electrical Equipment Company specializes in helping manufacturers build, assess, and maintain industrial Ethernet networks that are reliable, secure, and scalable.
Industrial Ethernet differs drastically from office-grade networks, as it must endure vibration, contaminants, extreme temperatures, and electromagnetic interference. That's why component selection, from cables and connectors to switches, is crucial.
Performance also matters.
Applications like motion control require ultra-low latency and minimal jitter, demanding precision down to microseconds. We support manufacturers by helping determine optimal cycle times and ensuring networks are segmented and balanced correctly for performance and security. Security is another essential pillar.
Cisco's CPWE architecture provides a layered defense strategy that we use to minimize cyber threats while maintaining uptime.
Mistakes such as using hubs instead of switches or poor cable shielding can lead to severe operational risks. EECO helps prevent these issues through expert design, rigorous testing, and best-in-class practices.
Partnering with EECO means access to technical experts and trusted partners across industry.
Whether you're starting fresh or optimizing an existing network, Electrical Equipment Company is your guide to unlocking smart manufacturing success.